Brian Smith. I'm here at PMA. I'm one of the Sony Artisans of Imagery. So we're at the Sony booth today, where I'm speaking throughout the show. And I'm here today to talk to you about photo tips that will make your pictures better. The first thing that I tell people is you want to get in closer. I think too many people stay too far back from the subjects. So always get in closer and reveal more about the person. So come in close to your subjects. But as you're doing that, pay attention to what's going on in the background. The background of your photographs is just as important as what's happening in the foreground. So sometimes it'll say just as much about the subject as what you've got going on, like right in front of the lens. Look what's going on behind that person. So I, a lot of times, try to include a lot of environment with a wide-angle lens and show something about where the person is or what they do. Thank you.